Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have mail from Aliexpress that I want to open on camera. So you see my address. Oh well. I have a couple dolls I want to get open and make sure they're all right. These are for a project I'm doing. A couple projects, actually. I'm waiting for another doll to arrive. That's going to go with this. Oh, gosh, yes. So cute. And how is the hair? Let's see. Make sure I ordered this doll with hair parted on the side. Now, I have some coming in parted in the middle, and it matters. Yep, this one's on the side. Oh, she's cute, cute, cute. Very white skinned. I wanted that. Her hair is a little thicker, not as thick as it used to be, but a little thicker than it has been. These dolls are a little different though. These dolls are, if you'll notice, the complexion's a lot wider. They have, you know what, those look gold. They have a gold hue to those eyebrows. Can you see that? They have really nice cheeks, and I love the lips. There's actually texture to the lips, and the Cupid's bow is more textured on these dolls. Now, Darren's hoping that I don't say, oh, could I get a neck joint? And it's yet another size, because he's already customized a few. We have them for icy heads and for the ball jointed heads, but this should be the same. Her eyes are great. And the next time you see her, she will be quite different. Let's set her to the side and see. I think this is my icy that I'm gonna do a chubby out of and is gonna go up on my website for sale. I know, I keep saying that and they're not up there yet. It's a lot of work to keep up with everything, and I'm trying, I really am. All right. It is the girl. All right. She looks pretty. I like the icy faces. They're very different than the other dolls. As you can see, it's a different shape, different look about them. The eyes are quite different. And we found, as I just said, that the head joint is quite different. I like that hair. I like that a lot. Uh-oh, I don't have one like that. You know what happens when I have one like that? I like the brown eyes, but let's make sure they work. They do. I love the purple. You see those purple eyes? Let me bring them around again. Love, love, love the purple eyes. Let me pull this up. Can you see it? Love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's see what else I got. I want to put that back on. I'm not working on these dolls straight away, so I have to wrap them back up and put them away, or I really do fall in love with them. And then I have to order another one because I want to keep them as was. Okay, what is in here? Oh, good. These little shoes, these little Blythe shoes, are the closest thing I can find to saddle shoes right now for my Blythe doll. So I'm thinking about paint marking with a permanent marker in black across here to mimic a saddle shoe for Ruth 66. But I'm not going to do it yet because I am still looking for little saddle shoes. They used to have them on Aliexpress in different colors, and I could possibly paint those. But I haven't seen them in a while. Oh, good. These are just little shoes for my welly wishers in black. However, I don't think these are the ones I ordered. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Always open your Aliexpress or any other orders on camera so you can prove, if there is a problem, that when you opened it, the problem was already there. But look how pretty these are. Oh, I love them. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.